Okay, so I have installed our Digisoft app in the Shopify store. I will go to this app. On the main page of our application, we can view instructions to get started with our application. Here we can see how we can integrate our LimeLM account with our application and how we can link the products with our LimeLM products. So I will press on the start guide here. First of all, we need a LimeLM account, and after that, making creating an account on LimeLM, we will get the API key from the LimeLM account and insert in our setting page in this field. And we will also need to add the SMTP server details to send from where the email will be sent to the customer. Like whenever the customer bought the products for our licensed product from our store, Shopify store, he will receive the email containing the license key for the products. So the next step will be we will be able to add the products from our Shopify store. We will able to link our products from the Shopify store to the products available on the LimeLM account. So okay, we'll start with it. Okay. So first of all, okay, I've already created a LimeLM account. So I will go to the settings page on the LimeLM account, and down below I can find the API key, copy it. Go to your Digisoft application settings page, and on the settings page, paste the API key here, and also include SMTP details and the subject of the email and user and password, and save it. Here we can also edit the email template which will be sent to the customer. For now, I'm using the default email template. You can change it the way you want it to. Make sure that which information you want to include in the email. You need to use the short code here. The order number will be replaced by the order number, original order number. Product name will be replaced by the product name, and product key here will be the license key for the product. Okay, so Digisoft license products. These are the products which are already being linked with our LimeLM products. There are no products for now. So, okay, so first of all, I will go to my LimeLM account and create a product. For example, okay, first of all, I'll go here in the whole app homepage. In the app page, I can see all the products available in my Shopify store. For example, I have this Adobe Photoshop CC and I want to license this product. So I will create a product against this product in my LimeLM. So for example, I will place the name here. Version, for example, 1.0.0, for example. Okay, buy link. So here we will place this. Here we will add the link where our customer will be able to buy the product. So I will go to the storefront. I will go to my store. Shopify. Okay, here's the product. I will copy this link and go to my LimeLM account and paste it here. That's the link where the customer will be able to buy our product from our Shopify store. Save this product. Okay, so we have added this product in our LimeLM account. Now we need to link this product available on our Shopify store with this product. For this purpose, we will need the version number of the product. So I will copy it and go to my LimeLM app, click on the add button and place this version ID here and save it. Okay, so now this product is linked with this product available on the LimeLM account. I will buy this product and check what happens next. Okay, I've already added this product. I'll delete it. I'll add this product in the cart, add to cart, go to the cart, and proceed to checkout. Okay, card number. Okay, so I have bought this product, Adobe Photoshop CC. No, I got it mail right. Okay, I've already received the email. As a customer, I have received the email with the license key for the product, so I can check the email now. Okay, so here's the email. Product keys, order number, product name, product key, and if I go to this product here on LimeLM, then we can see, okay, the key is already added against this user email ID M69Z.